Express 0.000344 in standard form. This is a multiple choice question, and so you solve the question, and after that you pick the correct option. The number is 0.000344. We are going to express this number in standard form. To do that, we are going to move the decimal point such that it will be after the first non-zero number. The first non-zero number is 3. So it means we are going to move the decimal point to this place. Let's do that. The decimal point is here. So I'll move it 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you can see, I've moved the decimal point 4 times in this direction. So I moved it 4 times in this direction. And so our number is now 3.44. But because I moved the decimal point 4 times in this direction, I'll multiply it by 10 exponent negative 4. So when we express the number 0.00344 in standard form, we are going to have 3.44 times 10 exponent negative 4. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is C.